Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be looking at our crypto investments. So that's Compound Finance and TokenSets. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so it's been about 3 weeks since we were here in Compound Finance, and it's actually been about 3 months since we actually went and visited TokenSets. So I thought it was about time that I did a bit of an update. Okay, so we're already logged in to our MetaMask wallet, as you can see here. Okay, so just before we actually go into the account, it's just a bit of a reminder and sort of a check for you guys. For those of you that followed my last video and did get involved with Compound Finance, just make sure when you go into your MetaMask wallet that you have one of these C receipts. So basically it is like a receipt, but what it is actually is your smart contract for the deposit that you made into Compound Finance. Why is that important? Basically because if for some reason Compound Finance just disappears, off the face of the earth, your smart contract is the only way you can basically claim your money back or your tokens back. So basically that is a great thing with these Ethereum investments, is because they are connected to smart contracts, which is something that Ethereum uses for pretty much almost everything, if not everything, when it comes to sort of financial trades and all that kind of stuff. And what that is it basically allows you to access your funds or anything like that, even if the program that you've got involved with cease to exist. So make sure that you do have one of those for each coin. If you've invested multiple coins, make sure you have a C receipt or a contract for each coin that you've got involved with through Compound Finance. Like I say, that is how you claim back just in case something goes wrong. And obviously, for those of you that Compound Finance and TokenSets is a new thing and you don't really know a lot about it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video that will give you a step-by-step on how to get your Compound Finance and your MetaMask wallet, which is vital for using these two websites, up and running. And basically once you've got your MetaMask wallet up and running, to use Compound Finance and to use TokenSets is actually very simple. But go and check that video out, and if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will also be there, so you can just watch it straight away. If we just click app, we can go and check out what has happened over the last 3 weeks. Remember, obviously, as well, with what's happening around the world with COVID-19 and stuff like that, it is dramatically affecting the financial institutions such as the stock market and stuff like that, which does have a knock-on effect to cryptocurrencies. So the interest rates we are seeing here are not necessarily as high as they will be once everything recovers and is back working 100%, but still they are a lot higher than the last video I did. So that in itself just shows that there is a recovery on its way, sort of, things are building again. Okay, so excuse me, the last video we did the investment into Tether. So since then we have earned 2 million USD, because obviously we started off, that would have been 0, so this is now showing that we've got 2,440,000 USDT, which we have gained in the last 3 weeks. And I'm not entirely sure what we were at with this, but I'm sure it was actually around about 22 million. So we might have gained a million or so there also as well. So obviously looking at that, what that means is, because these coins are connected to the dollar, basically for every million we gain pretty much 1 cent. So obviously we gain 2 million here, so that shows as $10.02 and $10.23 with the DAI. So I know obviously it's not one of those, it's not exactly blowing our socks off with the amount of money we're making from this, but it is one of these programs that you can literally just put your money into or put your coins into and then leave it, and all you do is you just come back in now and again and just check on the progress. For those of you that are not at all, like I said, familiar with compound finance, go and check out that earlier video. But if you want to know basically what it is basically it's a lending program. So what we do is we invest our coins, they then get lent are lent to another person, and we get a commission on it. That is it. Very simple and very easy. Okay, so basically that is all we have to sort of show on compound finance. I know it's not a huge amount, but it is progress, and that's at the end of the day all we're looking for. Okay, so let's go and check out TokenSets. Okay, so TokenSets is a little bit more involved. TokenSets is basically sort of investing stroke trading. They do have what are known as these social traders on here, and these are actual sort of real people in the real world. Most of them have a very good track record of investing in crypto, and basically what they have done, they have set up their sets, or these sets, because basically that's why it's called token sets, is basically they will pick like 2 coins. So they will pick Ethereum and DAI, as we were involved with in or say not Ethereum and DAI, because DAI is essentially an Ethereum token, but you could pick ETH and DAI, as it were, or you could pick BTC and Ethereum. You can pick BTC and USDT or USDC. There's lots of combinations that can be picked, and like I say, these social traders, they pick and then you can follow them if you wish to. But what I actually use is the Robo Sets. So this is Robo Sets. So basically what they are sets that are basically, rather than sort of being tweaked by a human or being checked on by a human person, they are using a mathematical algorithm. And what they do is simply that the idea is that it moves your investment from whatever coin is basically working the best or is at gaining the most, with the idea of you constantly gaining. So if you're say we're doing BTC and Ethereum, and then suddenly Ethereum has a massive rise in price, like it has done. It's gone recently from about $220 up to nearly $350, I believe, and that's happened over the last few weeks. So what it would do is the algorithm would move your coin, say from BTC, because it sees Ethereum as being the coin that's on the move, and then put your money into Ethereum, and then obviously vice versa. And that's how it works. And this is basically what I've done. I've invested, because I have traded in the past, as I've spoke to you about before. I've done Forex, and I've even got a few shares which I shared a video with you with me trading on the site Trading 212. and basically I've got a few shares in there. But because because my channel is pretty much predominantly based on crypto, you know, I'm not really showing that now. I'm just showing you sort of everything to do with crypto investments, because obviously that is really what you guys are sort of signing up to my account for. So like I say, basically what I did is I came in and I picked a couple of sets, and then if we just go and sign in, you'll see, so we click MetaMask, you'll see the sets that have featured in all the videos I've done on this subject with TokenSets. So I've not changed any of the sets, but if we go and check out my account, so the last time we were in here, my account was at, this is 3 months ago, so my account was at $16.39. Like I say, Ethereum has really surged forwards in the way of price, and as you can see there, that is reflected in how much profit I have now in my account. So basically over the last 3 months we've gained just over $7 on the account, but what you've got to realize as well is that because Ethereum and the Ethereum network are constantly implementing new stuff. You've got Ethereum 2.0, which is going to be launched very soon, and you know, lots of other reasons why Ethereum is building and the price is going up very rapidly recently, and this is probably going to continue. So I think it was in the very first video I did when I did these investments, and I did basically mention that Ethereum really sort of is very much a dark horse, because the thing is, when it comes to coins, people have this real bad habit of looking at price and not anything else. And the thing is obviously BTC has been around the longest, and therefore it is essentially, as people would say, the grandfather of crypto, but it's just gained a status, you know, so everybody sort of gravitates to it, which is obviously keeping the price high. It is used as well quite often, but the thing is with Ethereum is not just a currency, it is a platform, and that platform is being used more and more around the world for many different things, such as smart contracts, building websites, being used for you know, in financial purposes, all this kind of thing, and it is really now starting to almost come to light. And I think a lot of the, you know, people out there, the experts, are starting to realize the value of Ethereum. And also, like I said, because they're constantly bringing new stuff to their network, and which they're making available to everyone, it is just gaining in sort of it's just that snowball effect is starting to happen, where it's really starting to gain some momentum. So I do believe that these Ethereum investments, and in fact most investments connected with Ethereum, will start to build. But that is just my personal opinion. Obviously, you know, that's just how I see it and what I see going on around the world and being written on various media sites and stuff like that. So, you know, like I say, it is my opinion, but I think it is an informed opinion as well. So anyway, obviously, if you want to get involved with TokenSets, it's dead simple. Check out that video I mentioned, which I was going to put in the description, and you can watch at the end of this video, because the most important thing is it shows you how to get your MetaMask wallet set up. As soon as you get that MetaMask wallet set up, you can just come in here. You don't even need to register. All you do is you'll click on sign in, as you saw me. You highlight that you want to sign in using your MetaMask wallet, and then it just uses your that account, like your Ethereum wallet address, as an account. So you don't actually have to sort of sign in with your name or anything like that. It's just done through the account numbers, which is brilliant because there's no KYC, there's no messing about with stuff like that. And then obviously if you want to, you can come in here, check out the various different sets. Like I say, if you don't have a massive amount of trading experience, but you do want to get involved, I do suggest you go for the Robo Sets, but make sure you keep an eye on them. Also as well, make sure you read the emails that TokenSets are sending out, because recently they basically essentially took this set off the books as a primary set, because you see where it says legacy. If you click on that, basically what it says is that this has now been replaced by the same set, but it's yield set 2.0 basically, and they're advising me to sell my stuff and then reinvest into yield set 2.0, which is what I will do in the near future. But yeah, so like I say, it's dead simple. The main thing, just get your MetaMask wallet set up. And if you are interested in those earlier videos I mentioned, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. If you could smash that like button as well, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great weekend, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.